Hey everyone, we're going to use our double angle formula to express sine of 2 theta as a function of x. And x is 2 tan of theta. So the trick for this is to write everything in terms of 2 tan of theta so we can use substitution. So let's write this out first. So we have sine of 2 theta. So sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Now, how can we write this in terms of tan? So how can we manipulate this? So what I'm going to do is multiply the numerator by cosine of theta and the denominator by cosine of theta. That's going to give me a tan of theta because what I'm going to get is this equals 2 sine of theta divided by cosine of theta times cosine squared of theta divided by 1. So basically, I put this cosine under this term and then times 1. Cosine times 1 is just cosine, so that gives it like that. The next trick to do is we've got to isolate this right here is 2 tan of theta, which is my goal. But I got to fix this part right here. So how I'm going to write it is I'm going to write 2 sine of theta divided by cosine of theta divided by 1 divided by cosine squared of theta. These are equivalent because if you simplify this further and use your A divided by B divided by C divided by D, that equals AB times CD. So I'm going from this side to this side. Usually we go this way, but we're going the opposite way. All right. Now that I have that, I can simplify this as 2 tan of theta divided by secant squared of theta. Now I still need 2 tan of theta. So the trick here is I'm going to multiply my numerator and my denominator by 4. And what that gives me is 4 times 2 tan of theta. And then this is going to be secant. So basically, let me write secant as 1 plus tan squared of theta. So we have 1 plus tan squared of theta. That's your Pythagorean identity. So you multiply that by 4, you can get 4 plus 4 tan squared of theta. Now the trick for that is I'm going to write this now. We had 4 times 2 tan of theta. And then we had 4 plus 4 tan squared of theta. I can rewrite this as 2 tan of theta squared. That's your ultimate goal to get all the trig out. So we're not going to have a trig. We know that 2 tan of theta is x. So we have 4x divided by 4 plus x squared. There's no trig. Everything is a function of x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.